just in from Santa's workshop.
Blitzen announced his retirement late last night.
Did you hear that, Hazel? This is my chance to prove I'm just as good as any stinking reindeer.
Meet Elliot.
Come on, Elliot. Go, go, go!
He's a miniature horse
I finally broke 15 seconds.
127th time's the charm.
with big dreams.
If you just give me a chance, I know I'd have a shot at making Santa's team. I just know it.
You're doing it! And that, ladies and goats, is why Santa's always used reindeer.
This holiday season,
This is where reindeer become heroes, boys.
Hey, Little League tryouts were last week, small fry.
Mini-Man! When you gonna give up, Run?
I'll never give up. Get used to it.
Reindeer are jerks. They've always been jerks, and they always will be jerks. Even Santa understands that. Santa!
if you follow your heart,
Big dreamers dream big.
Knees, hooves, try it again.
you can do anything.
You can do this!
That little guy's got some moves.
Featuring the voice talents of Josh Hutcherson, Samantha Bee, with Martin Short and Martin Short, Morena Baccarin, Jeff Dunham, and John Cleese.
Try not to embarrass me.
Merry Christmas to all!
At least we've got each other. That's what counts.
Big dreamers dream big!
Elliot the Littlest Reindeer. Coming to select movie theaters nationwide for one day only, Saturday, December 1st. Tickets on sale now at thelittlestreindeer.com.